4. Okay, when I run this, here we will get hello 1, hello 2, hello 3, hello 4. Okay, suppose if you need hello 10, like hello 1 to hello 10, then obviously we can copy the statement and we can edit it. So this will take some time. Suppose if you need a hello to 100, then say in such situations this copy pasting and editing won't work. So it is the same statement, right? The same statement, but a single value is changing, but it is like something is repeating, right? Here hello is common and 1 2 3 4 is repeating. So is there any possible with a single line we can execute this multiple times? Yes, this can be achieved by using the loops. Right, now what for loop does? First let us see the definition for this. Now why loops we are taking is, it is used to execute same set of Java instructions repetitively or multiple times, right? So this is the same line, right? We need to execute up to our requirement. So now let us see the syntax for loop. So syntax of for loop is for, and insert this for loop will accept 3 parameters. So they are separated by a semicolon. Okay, now open the for loop and close the for loop. What the code you need to do repetitively, or what the code you want to execute multiple times, put the code here. Now here it will accept 3 parameters, right? What is the first parameter? For not only the for loop, for every loop. So I will show you loop basic. So loop basics is, right? Loop basic is loop need a variable. Okay, loop need a variable. So loops need, first I will clear the point. Loop need a variable, and this variable should in update. Okay, this variable should update. Update means it need to change value. Okay, and loops need a condition, right? Now this is the loop basics. So what first point, what the loop need a variable means variable initialization must, variable declaration and variable initialization need. Okay, the second point, a variable should update. Okay, variable should need a update, and in the third point, a variable need the condition, right? So 3 parameters. So these 3 are the loop basics. So first is variable declaration. So directly the for loop takes these 3 things as parameters. The first one is variable declaration and variable initialization, right? And here updation. Okay, second basic, right? And it is a condition. Now let us run a simple for loop over here, so that we will get some idea. Now run the syntax here. For it will takes first let us declare one variable like int I equals to, let it be 1. Okay, and let us write the update. Update is for updation how you will do. Updation is nothing but same variable you need to update, right? So here we taken the I, right? So either you need to go for increment or decrement. So nothing but I equals to I plus 1 also you can write, I equals to I minus 1 also you can write. And same way you have assignment operators, right? And combination operators. For updation also you can go with the assignment operators like I plus equals to 1 or I plus equals to 2. So this will also okay. Now I am using here increment operator. So first I am using here increment operator for the updation I plus. Okay, here I am writing the condition. So like I need to run this loop 5 times, means if I until I less than or equals to 5 I need to run this loop. So now here open the bracket and close the for loop. So here I am taking one printf statement. Here I want to give the hello not let it be Balaji. Okay, now when I run this, just observe, when I run this, here it is printing hello 1 to 4 and Balaji 5 times, right? How it is going to happen? Consider this thing as only one time, right? In variable declaration and initialization, considers only one time. First it will runs the route. Later let us use some other color, let it be green color. Okay, now it will execute one time, right? After execution, the whole code will execute and comes for updation. From updation it will check the condition. Okay, first what happened, the variable declaration is done, right? I equals to 1 happened. Okay, later it came for the Balaji is executed, right? So let us consider this is the output session. First Balaji as executed. Later it will go for the update. What is the update we have given? Like I++. So I++ means here I becomes the 2, right? Here this is for first time. Here now I becomes the 2. Is 2 less than or equals to 5? Yes. So now enter into the loop and print the Balaji. Okay, now second time Balaji we have got. Now later I went for the updation, right? Again I went for the updation and check for the condition, right? I equals to 3. So is I less than or equals to 3? Yes. Now print Balaji. So this will act as 4th time, and at the 5th time also this executes successfully. Later when it's come for updation, so when again it's came for updation, like now I becomes 6, right? 6 less greater than is 6 less than or equals to 5? No. So now it will come out of the loop. Okay, it will comes to out of the loop. So how, let us see here, with the printf statement only we need to say is the execution is coming out of the loop or not. So here I am given like this, out of loop, right? Now when I run this, here you can see so the things are came out of the loop. Okay, so this is how the for loops is work. Let us see the first example, like hello 1 to 10. So if you need to print hello 1 to 10, change here to 10 and give here like hello, and here attach it with I value. Now when I remove this, and when I remove all this code, here you can see when I run this program, here we will get the hello from 1 to 10.